Malacanang maintains that the proposed 2015 national budget is in accordance with the Constitution. Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma stressed this in reaction to a petition filed by a former legislator that the Supreme Court declare the proposed outlay unconstitutional. Former Iloilo Representative Augusto Sihuco Jr. claims the budget bill contains funds already declared illegal by the High Court. At the same time, Secretary Coloma said the palace respects the right of lawmakers to conduct a thorough review of the proposed budget. More from Rocky Ignacio.
Malacanang stands firm on the constitutionality of all the provisions under the proposed 2015 General Appropriations Act. Presidential Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma said this amidst questions on the legality of the proposed national budget at the Supreme Court.
Sa pagbubuo ng budget ay sinaalang-alang na ng ehekutibo ang mga probisyon ng saligang batas at ang mga desisyon ng Korte Suprema. Kung meron pong mamamayan o pangkat na inaakalang hindi nasunod ito, may laya naman po silang gawin ang nararapat.
So confident po tayo. Confident po tayo, sir, that the Supreme Court would rule on the favoring the government po.
Confident po tayo sa pagsasabing sinunod po namin ang saligang batas at ang mga desisyon ng Korte Suprema.
Malacanang also expressed confidence that the 2015 budget will still be passed on time. Secretary Coloma added that the Aquino administration respects the authority of lawmakers to carefully check the provisions of the proposed budget. Critics have questioned the alleged definition of savings and the alleged existence of pork barrel system within the proposed bill.
Kinikilala namin ang karapatan at tungkulin ng mga mambabatas na suriin ng masinsin ang panukalang pambansang budget para sa 2015. Sa pagbuo nito, isinaalang-alang ng ehekutibo ang mga probisyon ng saligang batas at ang mga desisyon ng Korte Suprema. Naghain na ng paliwanag ang DBM at iba pang kinauukulang kagawaran hinggil sa mga probisyon ng budget na nais liwanagin ng mga mambabatas. Umaasa kami na mareresolba ang lahat ng mga usapin at mapagpapasyahan ang panukalang budget upang ito ay malagdaan ng Pangulo sa susunod na buwan at maging epektibo sa unang araw ng Enero 2015, katulad ng napapanahong pag-aproba at pagpapatupad ng lahat ng budget sa mga nakaraang taon ng panunungkulan ng Aquino administration.
Secretary Coloma also denied that the 2015 proposed budget was designed for the 2016 presidential elections. Questions were raised on the alleged funding to be received by the DILG. Secretary Coloma stressed that it was clear that the national budget will be based on Philippine Development Plan, economic growth, poverty reduction, climate change, security, peace and order, and good governance, and anti-corruption.
Kaya nga't meron namang bahagi ng proseso na kung saan yung budget ng bawat kagawaran ay kinikilatis o sinusuri both at the committee level and during the plenary deliberations. At lahat ng mambabatas ay mayroong laya na questionin o humingi ng paliwanag ang mga provision na ito. Bahagi ito ng proseso ng budget deliberations.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.